Agave. Good stuff. That's a big bag of fish. Oh shit! That's nice. Fill her up. Still got a pretty good sized bag in the water. Working hard. About 70-degree weather. Keep rolling aboard. That's a good bag of fish. Keep pumping, pump. Keep pumping. Nice. Can't keep up. Hey, grab that stick. All right. Last roll. That's pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. Get them all. Nice. Doesn't get better than this. Nice day. Nice day. Ah, he got you back, didn't he? Right after you punched him, man, he flipped you right in the face. I got that on film. Nice. Lots of fish today. Lots of fish.